Running a business today takes a lot of time and energy. You have to follow up with leads, reply to messages, send emails, manage appointments, and still focus on growing your business. Many business owners feel busy all day but still feel stuck. This is where automation becomes very powerful. GoHighLevel is one platform that helps you to automate many daily tasks so you can save time and grow faster. In this video, I will share some important GoHighLevel automation secrets and explain how they can boost your business growth in a simple and practical way. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to access GoHighLevel for 30 days in your trial, not 14 days, and to get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses from GoHighLevel to get started. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's understand what GoHighLevel automation really means. Automation in GoHighLevel allows you to set the rules so tasks happen automatically without manual work. For example, when someone fills out a form on your website, GoHighLevel can automatically save their details and send a welcome message, notify your team, and even book an appointment. This happens instantly even when you are sleeping. This alone can save hours of work every week. One powerful automation secret in GoHighLevel is lead follow-up. Most businesses lose the leads because they reply too late. With GoHighLevel, you can create automated follow-up sequences using email, SMS, and even WhatsApp. When a lead comes in, they receive a message immediately. This makes your business look professional and responsive. Fast follow-up builds the trust and increases the chances of conversions. Another important automation feature is pipeline automation. GoHighLevel lets you create visual pipelines where you can see each stage of your customer journey. When a lead moves from one stage to another, automation can trigger actions like sending emails, assigning tasks, or updating the records. This keeps everything organized and helps you to understand where leads are getting stuck. Appointment booking is another area where automation helps a lot. Instead of manually scheduling calls, GoHighLevel allows clients to book appointments directly using a calendar. Once an appointment is booked, the system can automatically send confirmation messages, reminders, and follow-ups. This reduces no-shows, saves you from sending reminder messages manually. GoHighLevel also supports workflow automation, which is one of its strongest features. Workflow allows you to combine multiple actions into one automated process. For example, when someone becomes a customer, GoHighLevel can stop sales messages and start onboarding emails and grant the access to resources and notify your support team also. This creates a smooth experience for your customers without extra effort from you. Another automation secret is re-engagement campaigns. Many businesses forget the old leads and past customers. With GoHighLevel, you can automatically re-engage the people who have not responded for some time. You can send helpful messages, offers, or reminders to bring them back. This helps you to make more money from the contacts you already have instead of always chasing the new leads. Automation also improves the internal team management. GoHighLevel can assign the task to team members automatically when certain actions happen. This keeps your team aligned and reduces the confusion. Everyone knows what to do next and when to do it, without any constant manual follow-ups. One important thing to remember is that automation should feel human. GoHighLevel also allows you to personalize messages with names, actions, and timing, so your communication does not feel robotic. Simple personalization makes the automation more natural and effective. For a beginner, it is best to start small. You do not need to automate everything on day one. Begin with lead follow-up and appointment reminders. Once you feel comfortable, you can slowly build more advanced workflows. So there are some powerful GoHighLevel automation secrets that can truly boost your business growth. When used correctly, automation saves time, improves the customer experience, and helps you to scale without any stress. So if this video helped you to understand GoHighLevel automation better, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to grow their business smarter. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.